This is, let's see if this is water. It rained while I did my makeup. So if you want to see this makeup look, keep watching. Hello. I just sat outside. Whew, it is humid outside. Florida. See, I am sweating. But I'm outside to do my makeup and it's just finished raining. So I'm going to continue. I am going to continue because I plan to do my makeup outside today because it was requested by Sarah. So Sarah, I am doing this makeup look for you. For you, for you, for you. Yeah! It just finished raining. It's going to happen again, but I am sitting right here and I am ready to do this. Hey everyone, welcome back, welcome back. I am outside, it just rained. I am doing my makeup. This one is for Sarah. She wanted to see another outside makeup. All the noise you hear, birds, dogs, we have a whole lot of buzzards by the other side of the lake. So enjoy nature, have fun with me. I have my big mirror there and it's raining again. But I'm under the shelter, but it's raining. Hooded eyes, makeup. Get your palette out and let us do something beautiful. Let us shop for beautiful hooded eyes because they are gorgeous. They are gorgeous. I am going to start with the Juvia's Place. It's called the Rebel Army. I'm going to do this. Sarah, this look is for you. Hopefully you can see me and hear all the beautiful birds out there. The birds are taking the show over. But I do like to sit outside here. So somebody's trying to they're cutting grass under the rain. Well, they gotta get done. They already show up, so it's not my grass. So hopefully I beat my lawn guy today. If I don't know if he's coming today, but if he is, I'm trying to beat him. He usually come about 12, and right now it's a little after 9. What was that noise? I am telling you, it is really nice to be outside here. You know, I'm going out of my outer corner, a little far out. Feels like something was on my skin, I don't know. Again, I'm outside, it's raining, so I went a little outside of my, that's the birds. I am a little outside of my outer corner, as you can see, right, like this. So now I open here to make sure I get in the fold. And in the fold. The AC just kicked in. If you hear that, that's the AC. So I have that down. That's from the army, the Rebel Army. So the rain just stopped again. So we're gonna have on and off today. So we're just gonna rock with it. Now I'm going into the Rebel Honey Juvia's Place. And I am going to take this color right here. So we're doing this in outside light and we will get to see what it looks like in the real outside. I don't know if you have enough light, but we have birds. My mirror is over there, so I'm looking over there. We have birds. It is so nice to sit outside. I love sitting outside. It's something I love doing in the mornings and sometimes late afternoon. So you're going to enjoy that with me and I thank you very much. Now we go into the fold of the eyes. I hope everyone is doing good today. I am doing very well. I am blessed to be up. I am very thankful for that. So hopefully you're blessed and thankful for something. I have a planner and every morning I wake up, I write what I'm thankful for. Some days it's repeating and I don't mind that it's repeating. I'm just happy that I am thankful for something. I want to always be thankful for something. I don't want to take this life for granted at all. This life is precious and I will not take it for granted. Remember, on my hooded eyes, they are uneven. If you have hooded eyes, you should be aware of that. They're not the same size. One is puffier, one is slanted, one is thinner. I mean, you name it. Take a look. You see how this is different than this? But don't let that prevent you from having fun with your makeup. Take it out and play and have fun. Today is a beautiful, blessed day. I am very happy to be alive and here with you, doing this and motivating somebody who needs it. Here goes a plane. Again, see the side? This side looks different than this side. So now I'm going this way and try and match it at least the best possible way. But play with your makeup. Do your eyes the way you like and just follow the shape of your eyes and do it and enjoy it. No perfect anything. Anybody who tells they make a perfect eye look, that's not true. That is not true. I'm telling you, it is not true. There are no perfect eye looks. Okay, now I'm going into the lid bar and I'm going to take the purple and we are going to create something beautiful. I want to be the right angle so you can see properly. But me and the phone, sometimes I get it right, sometimes I don't. The rain has now stopped. And I am here and the sun is back out. It's not as humid as it was when I first came out because the rain had just started. It was hot and the rain started. So the humidity has went down a little. The trash people are passing earlier now. They were like, I think they used to be on schedule like before. They would pass by 10 o'clock, which is about the time it is now. Yeah, 10 o'clock. And they would pass and would be done. And then this new trash people came and they've been coming in 6, 5, 6. Sometimes not even at all. And last week they came early and this week they're early. So things are looking up for us. Okay, let me blend this thing so we can look a little presentable but not perfect. Remember that. Presentable but not perfect. And you know all the makeup comes through after you put your base on. You know, you can do all the makeup you want. After the base is on, like your foundation and your powder, that's when things kind of like look together. So play with your makeup. If you don't like it, wash it off and do it all over again. I'm just putting them together so you can see. I don't know if you can see it, but these two butterflies are out here just having a ball. Where did they go? While I am here doing my makeup, I just had to catch them. They left. I am back with the look. This is what I created. Sarah, this one's for you. I'm outside and I did the makeup for you. I had a little purple because I know you love purple. That is your favorite color and that is one of my favorite colors. Thanks for the request to do this video outside. I hope you like it and I hope I did a good job. Again, remember, life can toss us around like we in a washing machine, just tumbling, and we think that nothing is going to change. Have faith, have hope, hang in there. It will change. It takes a long time. Easier said than done, but it does change. My second book is out, and that is a positive way to look at life because trust me, I got homeless. I've been tumbled around in a washing machine for how many years as a teenager. That's why I name it Struggles of a Teenager, because boy, when you're a teenager and things are rough, you think there is no end. No end. But I stayed in there and I hang in there and things work out, and here I am today. Here I am today, enjoying life. Don't give up. Don't lose faith. Don't stop. Keep going. It will work out for you. Keep going. It will work out for you. I started out here this morning doing my makeup. It was really hot, but I enjoyed it. Then it rained. I didn't stop. I continued. Then the sun came out. It get real humid. I was sweating and everything. No problem. I kept going through. It rained again, and then it stopped. And now it's nice and cool. Well, I shouldn't say cool. It's okay, but I did not stop. Yes, I have shelter, but I could have said, oh, it's raining, I'm going inside and do it. I said, no, I'm going to sit out there. I'm going to stay out there and finish. And now it's complete. And the sun is out, and on the south side of me, it looked like it's raining. It haven't got to that point yet, but I am done. So don't give up on life. Always remember, self is first. Love self plenty, take care of self. And I Simply You makeup is telling you, go out there and live life. Do it the best way you know how. Now it's full-fledged raining, but I am done. As you can see, take a look. It is now raining, pouring rain. But I'm finished with my makeup. I'm inside. And I will see you in the next video. Bye. See ya.